Worried about someone snooping around your browser? Whether it's your personal data, saved passwords, or private tabs, Google Chrome holds a lot of sensitive info. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to lock your Chrome browser so that no one can access it without your permission. No complicated settings, just a few simple steps and your privacy is protected. Stick around till the end. Before we start, click like the video and subscribe. Let's lock it down. First, open Chrome. Here, click on these three dots. Click on Extension and then visit Chrome Web Store. In the search type, Chrome Lock. Now click on Add to Chrome. Now set a password. Then click Save. Now whenever you open Chrome, it will ask you for password. Like if you find this helpful.